Fiverr affiliate program tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can start earning from Fiverr's affiliate program. So Fiverr's affiliate program is an amazing service and they have recently brought this into light a lot because people are literally making thousands of dollars from using Fiverr's affiliate service. So over here, as soon as you guys come on to affiliates.fiverr.com, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. So over here, you guys can see that they are trusted by Facebook, Google, Netflix, and it's always good to see big names on any website. This just ensures that whatever they are offering, they're actually going to deliver on that. You can also see that you can join Fiverr as an affiliate from over here, and you guys can promote Fiverr, and then as soon as someone signs up from your particular link, well, then you guys are going to make a commission on that. So how much commission? Well, you guys can get paid for every first time buyer with no referral limit and a lifetime attribution, and also professional support, intuitive dashboards, and all that good stuff. So over here, to get started, click on join now, and that's gonna take you guys over here. So as soon as you guys come over here, simply fill in this form with all the main information that you have, and then after that, you guys are gonna be able to simply start making money passively through Fiverr's affiliate program if you guys were to promote it onto various platforms. So guys, that is how you guys can get started with Fiverr's affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.